Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J Janae, and I'm back with a natural everyday makeup look. Now, when I say natural, I don't mean natural like no makeup. I mean naturally looking makeup. And my natural and your natural may be two different naturals. But for me, this is natural. This is like my everyday look. Going to brunch, out with friends, out on a little date, you know. It's quick, it's easy. I will list the products in the description box. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you tell a friend, because I'm a vibe. Alright, but anywho, let's get into this video. Okay, so first I'm taking my primer from Becca Ever Matte, and I'm going to apply that over my face. Okay, so now I am using my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm going to outline the top and the bottom of my eyebrows according to my shape. Once I complete that, I'm going to shade in accordingly. I'm going to complete that on both eyebrows, because what we're trying to do now, we're trying to have them look like sisters, you know, or twins. You know, I need my eyebrows to look alike. I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in like almost 6 months to a year, because I don't have an eyebrow lady anymore. Long story. But anyways, I do have another technique that I use for my eyebrows, and I would love to share with y'all in an upcoming video. So if you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so now I'm taking my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to outline the bottom and the top of my eyebrows according to the shape. Now this is going to give your eyebrows a clean, clear, sharp look. I was trying to think of some more adjectives. I am now taking my Morphe Taper Concealer brush, and I'm going to blend in that concealer. I am now taking the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight the following areas of my face. That will be under my eyes, below my nose, my chin, my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. So now I am using Black Radiance Contour Stick in the shade Deep. to outline my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, and down the bridge of my nose. And lastly, I'm applying Born This Way foundation in the shade Spice Rum to my jawline. Okay, ladies, get your arms ready because we are about to what? We about to blend. Wait. Hold on. So when we are blending this product into our face, we are going to dab this product into your skin. We're not going to swipe. We're not going to smear. We're going to dab, okay?
Look at my dab. Look at my dab.
Okay, using my Morphe contour brush to blend out my contour, we are going to buff the product upward. We're not going to go down. We're not going to go side to side. We're going to take this product and we're going to buff it in an upward motion into our skin. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm going to set my face. I'm going to set under my eyes, below my nose, my chin, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and I'm also going to set that foundation I placed on my jawline. So now I'm going to take my matte powder from Sephora in the shade Mocha Spice, and I'm going to apply that to the areas in which I contoured. And don't forget the nose. Don't forget the nose, sis. So now I'm going in with my Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade Medium to Dark. And I'm going to take that darkest brown shade and use that as my eyeshadow. So now I'm going to remove that translucent powder from my face after it's been sitting for about 30 seconds to a minute. I'm going to pat that powder into my face and then I'm going to swipe the excess powder away. Okay, so now I'm taking my Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette in the shade Medium to Dark to highlight my face. So the areas I am highlighting are the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my cheeks. So now I'm taking my foundation brush and I'm going to blend out some of the areas in my face. Once that is complete, then I am going to set this makeup. Ladies, we are complete. I am using my Urban Decay setting spray, oil control. And now I'm just going to take my brushes to dab this setting spray into my skin before it dries. So while my face is setting, I like to start on my hair. So a lot of people on my Instagram have asked me where I purchased this hair from. And if you have not, by the way, go follow your girl, painted_pretty. But the link will be in the description box below. I purchased this hair from a company here in Miami called HR Collection. Absolutely love this hair. I am wearing the links 22, 24, 26 with a 5x5 closure in the pattern Deep Wave. So I'm like, I need some lashes. Because I'm like, damn. And I need some nail glue. Because my nail fucking popped off. Like, so I'm like, all right, let me go to the hair store. But guess what? Don't have my fucking wallet. So, you know, I'm looking like I know I got some dollars around here somewhere. Never guess what I found? A roll of coins. So, bitch, I'm going up in there with these roll of coins for some nail glue, and some just so ratchet.